After reaching the plot of land where to be cultivated, you take a short while of rest, since walk for a long distance, keep aside, page. That's why instead of them giving and then in the next stage, the third stage, a female youth and male youth to be a better life, which means following the rock. To all the youth while they are in a rest and get ready for situation. Steps of dance, stop following the rock. Now, the head of the youth, one of these assistants, before the land, where they were going to cultivate. But one day to do. Taking the land for easy information of the 26. This stage is called this stage of dance is called of the moon. Now the youth put us hard working in the bright sunshine takes west. One of the female youth is to build cool and fresh drinking water to us. All the time of this youth reach that is called longitude, which means drinking water. Again, the youth citizens clean off the ground with spades, clean all grasses, well hot, or places called back to back. This is Amigo to one. Finger stretch. This step is called drawing the grasses out of the land. Now in the top, the youth collect while greening and fresh taste vegetable. The youth chooses their own couple of their like. This stage is called hunt. Now, the paddy matures with its food that attracts the birds. Troops of birds like parrot, etc. enjoy food. Youth chases the birds in groups to create a free sound tendency in birds so that they never come back to the paddy cultivated site. This stage is called vertical. Means chasing the birds. Monkey so chula because throwing the party plan now is ready to wait. The youth with great enthusiasm starts the party and singing, chatting with their mates or partners. This stage of dance is called soft carrot. After finishing all the festival, the youth clean or washes themselves in a cool stream or lake, water in great joy and excitement. It is called Lang Baching Roy or Gang Baching Roy. All and then, no. The youth with immense joys and pleasures reflected in all the moments they have had spent with the schoolmates, get ready to return to their village of home. This is the ending stage of dance form.